Have you realized how your girlfriend slash wife has changed since they first knew you? Here are some things you can look out for to see if she really loves you. 1. Manipulate you. Some girls tend to lie or act in a certain way such that her boy will do whatever she wants and act as she likes. What this girl wants is control and satisfaction. What she is doing is not called love, but pardon my rudeness, is called raising a pet. 2. Bombing you with calls. At the beginning of every relationship, girls feel insecure. They like to question about where you are, what you're doing, and who you're with. When they can't find you, they can call you up to 30 times. Even when you've reported to them, they can still ring you every 5 minutes. 3. Throwing tantrums when you're gaming or going out with your brothers. Complaining, grumbling, and whining about her boy's hobby is not what she will do. She understands that you need to relieve stress, you have your own friends, and throwing tantrums is immature. As she levels up, she might even be gaming with you and chatting with your brothers. 4. Asking you to buy expensive gifts. She wants someone who loves her and treats her like a precious treasure, not an ATM. Constantly getting Tiffany necklaces, Chanel bags and Victoria's Secret's perfume is not what she wants. 5. Ask you to carry her handbag. This is quite a common sight. Boyfriends slash husbands waiting outside toilets or while the girls are shopping. Unlike backpacks, handbags are more feminine and can cause guys to be laughed at. This is a reason why she won't allow you to do so, even if you chivalrous offer to carry her heavy bag. 6. Compare you to other men. She will never talk about your career progress, your earnings and savings, and your possessions. She also never talks about her male friends' achievements and boasts about them. Maybe you're not the best, but she thinks you are. 7. Disrespect you. When a woman loves you for real, you won't have to remind her to be submissive. Because she loves you, the submissiveness will naturally come. If you always have to demand respect from your woman, you need to think twice about it. Unless you do not respect her as well, she can never disrespect you. 8. Cheat on you. Whether drunk or not, a woman who loves you for real cannot even have the guts to cheat on you. Every time she thinks of cheating on you, she will be too disturbed by guilt to even proceed to cheat. So, never buy the idea that she loves you and only cheated once because she was drunk. 9. She won't use you. Women are very crafty nowadays and they can easily misuse, dump you and forget you ever existed. If she only gets in touch when she needs help, you should already stop loving her because she does not love you. A woman who loves you always keeps in touch, but not only when she wants company to go out drinking. 10. Misuse your money. A woman who carelessly spends your money like there is no tomorrow is a no-go zone. Misusing your money is a clear indication that she does not care about your future, probably because she has no plans of sharing her life with you. If she loves you, she will encourage you to save inst you. Boys, women aren't as complicated as we usually think. Sometimes, they can be really obvious if we only know how to read the signs. It's all a matter of being observant. Yes, typically a girl can be saying one thing when she means another. It can get confusing, but it's all about gestures for the most part. We thank you for watching. Please check the description for recommended offers. If you like the video, please hit like button, share your feedback in comment, and subscribe our channel for more videos every week. Also don't forget to press on bell icon to get notified about our new videos. Please download our app and connect with us on FB and Instagram also.